Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we'll be making this shoulder strap. Alright, let's get started. So in cutting this shoulder strap, the first thing you should take note of is the breadth of the shoulder strap. So if you are sewing for a adult school bag, a big school bag, you use 3 inches. So if the school bag is like a medium size school bag, you use 2.5 inches. And if you are sewing for a mini school bag, you use 2 inches for the width. So to determine the length of your shoulder strap, it depends on the length of the school bag. So for this shoulder strap, the school bag is 13 inches. The length of the school bag is 13 inches. So you add 2 inches, making it 15 inches. So I'll be cutting out 15 inches as the length, and the width will be 2.5 inches. The length is 15 inches. So now we'll roll it. So before we cut it out, we have to make it a bit slant. To be a bit slant. So to do that, we measure 4 inches like this, and then we mark it out. And then from the tip down here, we come out by half inch. Half inch. So we measure 4 inches on the other side. And we come in by half inch also. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. So after doing that, we connect the mark points together like this. So we connect this other one also. So this new line is what we will be cutting out. This new line we just sketch. So you see it's looking good. We have to cut out 4 pieces of this. 4 pieces of this. So this part that is slant, we are going to fold it into 2 to get the middle, and then we mark. You just give it a mark. So we'll measure, let me open it up. You measure half inch like this, and then you give it a little curve. You stop at that mark point, the midpoint you marked. So we fold this back into 2 like this, and then we cut. So that is it. So we curve the second part also. So this is the two. We place it on each other like this, and then we stitch it. So this is what we have. Now we use our piping line to pipe it like this, and we stop here. So this is a plastic adjuster. So I'll be cutting out 4 inches. You can make yours longer if you want. So we'll place it into the adjuster like this. So we fold the tip this way, just fold it inside like this, and then we'll place it and stitch. So the length of the strap is totally based on your choice. So repeat everything we did here to the second shoulder strap. If you know you learned anything from this video, click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.